Okay, we received the control panel today, and before we go for repair, we tested the panel. The panel has different issues. Touchpad is working, okay, and the buttons is working too. No display, no numbers. This is different issue. This issue is different from the listing, which is we offer to repair. We offer repair the touchpad, which is in your case is working. Okay, so you need to repair screen, the LCD screen. So for this one, we have to provide you with the estimate and then give you a separate price for the parts, because it's required to replacing the parts. So we're going to give you, we're going to send you the email, and then you decide what you want to do. Okay.